Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here from Heinen's Grocery Stores, and I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to zest up your citrus fruit. The first thing we're going to zest up is a lime, and I'm going to be using a microplane. Now, if you don't know what a microplane is, it's a really fine grater that was made specifically for things like citrus. So simply hold it in one hand, hold your citrus in the other hand, and grate it back and forth, rocking it from the front to the back just to make sure you get all of your citrus fruit. At the very end, what I like to do is give it a little knock because sometimes the zest gets stuck in the microplane. This just releases everything, and you see how finely zested this lime is. The next thing I'm going to do is zest up a lemon with a hand zester. This is something that's a bit more old school, but a lot of folks still have it in their house. It's very, very simple to use. Hold your citrus fruit in one hand while holding the zester in your other hand, and then it's almost like peeling it, except for you running it in the opposite direction, pressing down into the citrus and pulling it as the zest comes through the little holes. You'll get perfectly zested citrus fruit every single time with this. And last but not least is by using a simple paring knife and then finally julienning up your citrus fruit so that it's perfectly zested. To start, you need a paring knife, and it's just like peeling a potato. Simply hold the citrus fruit in one hand, your paring knife in the other hand, and then pull it back to yourself by just going in a tiny bit into that lime. You don't want to go too deep because you don't want to cut into the citrus itself. And sometimes you may go too deep past the zest into the pith, but it's really easy. Just lay it flat with the pith side up, and then using your paring knife, just sort of fillet out that extra white pith. Discard it, there's no need for it. Then turn it over, change out knives to your favorite chef knife, and finally julienne this, rocking the knife back and forth. Tuck your fingers on the other side just to keep them safe until you get beautifully finely julienne lime zest. 3 incredibly easy ways to zest up your favorite citrus fruit all season long.